The Turtle Super Indicator in the ICT style is available on various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the charts. Traders can also refer to this page to understand how the indicator works and operates. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and drag it onto the chart to run the indicator. Just make sure to check the Allow DLL Imports option in the Comments section and then click the Confirm button. Drag indicator to chart. Check Allow DLL Imports. In common, draws zigzag minor, dotted, and zigzag major green on chart. Check Allow DLL Imports. Indicator draws zigzag minor, major in green. Turtle Super shows internal, default, external signals. The indicator draws zigzag minor and major. Turtle Super shows buy-sell signals, internal as default. For example, a price pullback and breakout followed by an upward return triggers a buy signal. The Turtle Super indicator displays two buy and sell signals. A buy signal was sent after a price breakout and return. A sell signal was generated when the price hit the retracement level and fell. A sell signal was sent as the price returned to the order block range. For example, here, a buy signal is sent by the price returning downwards and a breakout failure, then returning upwards and returning to this range. Here the price is making lower highs and lower lows, and with the price returning to the 61.8% to 78% retracement level and then pulling back down, a sell signal is generated. Also, with the price returning to this order block range, a sell signal is also sent in the settings. In the input section, there are options available. In the first part, there are display settings, including the indicator's theme or template, which has three modes: dark, light, and auto. By selecting the dark option, a dark template is applied to the chart. In the input section, there are options available for us. In the first part, there are display settings, including the indicator's theme or template, which has three modes: dark, light, and auto. By selecting the dark option, dark template is applied to the chart. By selecting the light option, a light template is applied to the chart, and with the auto option, only the colors of the candles change, with bullish candles turning bright green and bearish candles turning bright red. In the next section, there are general settings for the indicator where you can change the type of the minor zigzag trend. By default, it is set to candle close, but you can also select the zigzag mode by entering the letters provided here, which is the best option. In the next part, you can enable or disable the display of the minor zigzag trend, as well as enable or disable the display of the major zigzag trend. Cannot repeated many times. In the next section, you can enable or disable the display of the zigzag minor trend. You can enable or disable the display of the zigzag major trend. In the next section, you can enable or disable the internal signal status. And in the following section, you can enable or disable the display of the external signal. I will enable this option and set it to true, while I will set the internal signal to false and the theme to dark. Well, here the template has changed to dark for me, and the external signals are displayed. How to send an external signal to the base? There are low and high levels, where the price is making a higher low and high, and when the price returns to the low range, the low has broken downwards, and when it returns to this range, a sell signal is issued for us. Here, the price is making lower highs and lower lows, and with the price pulling back up and breaking this range upwards, a buy signal has been generated for us. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would love for you to share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.